Hi guys, a very good evening. It's 5:35 by the watch. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Hope everybody is doing good and great and having a good time. It's really warm and we all need to stay hydrated and cool down and enjoy the air conditioning and stuff unless until you're doing something really important outside or you're in the gym or some sports or whatever. So it's the tidy up day for me. Since yesterday I've been doing that, and I'm so happy that I've kind of spent half a day yesterday and a few hours in the morning today to kind of clean up my spaces and stuff, and I really feel good now in my room and all that, and I'm enjoying indoors, the sunshine and everything. And if you can see the natural light coming in, and I'm having my cup of nice chai. And there's this book which I've been very extensively sharing for a long time now. That's also because I follow Buddhism. So we have this concept called Ikigai, which is happiness and joy and positive feelings and emotions and stuff like that. And from that I'm kind of extending the thought to a design and a beautification tip, which is if you know, in Japanese you had this concept called ikebana. So you have ikebana vases, you've had ikebana interior decoration and stuff like that. And from that I get a good idea, because as I was sorting out and stuff, I found a lot of tumblers which we have not been using and stuff. And the instant thought that comes to me is that when you're looking at positivity, when you're looking at prosperity, when you're looking at optimism, and you're looking at solutions to kind of make you feel good and great indoors, it's not just the air conditioning. You can also use elements of water, and you can use elements of greenery. So let's say if you have a square tumbler which is of a size of, let's say 2 feet by 2 feet or bigger. So what you could do very easy, you can just kind of put in some nice indoor plants in those, and you can have pebbles. You may put colorful pebbles, or you may put white pebbles or whatever, and you actually fix the base of the plant with maybe sponge in the water and stuff. And now the most important bit to kind of give it a different innovative or a different spin-off look or appeal, if you're a fish lover and you believe in feng shui or yin and yang, is to put in 3-4 goldfish in those, and you can have your own small mini aquarium or a mini small like a pot, or a tumbler which has this. And as you wash the fish, and as you have the greenery in that, and as you have the pebbles in that and everything, you're automatically going to start enjoying more of life around you. And fish is significant of telling us that avoid being fishy, flow, so when you have goldfish at home and you have green plants in those and you have the pebbles and everything, it's going to give a absolutely kick-ass look to your spaces. You can have it on your desk in your office, you can have it in your bedroom where you're sleeping, you can have it in your workspace and stuff, you can have it in your kitchen, you can have it in your lifestyle, the living rooms and stuff. You can have it anywhere or wherever, and it's a very doable kind of an idea. And I've been keeping fish in the formative years of my college and studying and stuff like that. So I used to really personally take care of my aquarium. So now when I don't have that kind of space and I'm kind of taken in by other stuff, maintenance has become an issue for me. But I do ponder on the idea of having a mini aquarium, because I've also had lots of interesting fish, and I used to look at those and I used to feel so good and great. But now, looking at the time constraints, and because we are busy and we may not have the spaces and stuff, this is a fantastic idea where you can have, okay, if not 4 by 4, maybe you can have a 6 by 6 square or a long rectangular kind of tumbler or a vase, and you can have, like I said, you can have pebbles in those, you can have sponge in that, and you can have a nice green plant in it, and you can just put in whatever is your favorite fish. So hope this helps. I'm Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. We are based in Sector 8, Noida. I'm wishing everybody a great Sunday. It's pretty warm, so stay hydrated. Stay indoors, get your ORS, which is instant relief to give you energy and stuff. And you've got to talk to a doctor also, because lemon juice is not recommended if you're kind of facing a lot of heat concerns and stuff like that, or a bad tummy, you know. So consult your doctors and use this tip. I hope this helps. I'm going to share some pictures of those, because I've kind of found something which I'm talking about and all that. And wishing everybody a great week ahead as well. And this is a nice chic or a hip classy way of looking after your energies at home and stuff, because as I explained before, fish is also significance for positive energy and free flow and stuff, you know. So do that, and maybe your children or your parents or you yourself are kind of going to get into a different tangent of thinking about beautiful probably nature and sea, water and decorations and stuff like that. You never know what inspires what, because I was reading this book. This is a book which I really recommend, and the idea came from there, because the moment I looked at the green leaves, I was like, you know, it's possible to do this, you know. So take care. I'm on jastinkapani.im@gmail.com and jkapani@gmail.com. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Enjoy your weekends. For those who just started, I've already had a blast, a great fun night and stuff with lots of South Africans and people from other countries and stuff. And I'd like to also share that, you know, that the misconceptions about South Africans, that they are into a lot of notorious activities and stuff like that. Let me just you know, kind of clear off the air about it. Maybe some people do that, and people carry those impressions because they've grown up watching movies and they've kind of seen those kind of stuff on TV and stuff. But it's not necessarily that in 2024 everybody's like that. So the party I was at yesterday was a really tasteful place. It was a farmhouse, and we had international you know, people there. It was great music. It was a pool party and stuff, and I was so happy because after a very long time I had my first dip in the pool and stuff. So it was super fun. So try and kind of have water bodies also, if you can, around the spaces you're at and all that. Spend more time there, and take care of flora and fauna, because all of that makes us feel good, including water. And if you want to kind of get in touch with me, you can send me a mail and stuff. I prefer emailing and not WhatsApp, also because I've just recovered from a neck cervical. So for me, bending and mostly looking into the computer is not recommended and stuff. So this is the reason I prefer emails. And no offense meant, people who send me these messages, I keep telling them, please email me and stuff. This is the reason. So that's that, you know. So I'm leaving you on this fantastic tip and this idea of beautification and you know, prosperity, personification and stuff like that. So magnify positivity, magnify nature. I have in my room, maybe a little later I will show you, but I have so many flowers and you know, greenery around. I feel so good. I mean, I don't need to go out in nature and kind of chill and stuff, you know. So take a look at your personal spaces where you are spending maximum time, your rooms, your offices, you know, your libraries, and wherever you're kind of spending maximum time, try and do this, okay? So take care, love and love. Thanks for your wishes, and thanks for your likes, and thanks for your emails. Ciao, cheers, bye-bye.